charge it in between breaks. So like, you last, no, it's about 5 hours, but I think, yeah, about 5 hours. Oh, here it comes, Justin. I'm getting real close to this one. Yeah. Oh, got the pig. Out your core through this?
Yeah, so when you're paddling, don't dunk close to the boat. Kind of follow the wake out and without dunking it all the way too deep. And at the same time, the other wrist, you want to act like you're trying to read it and bring it across your face. Because those two together, see how you're moving your core now?
Yeah.
And keep your head straight while you're doing it where you want to go. But keep letting...
Oh yeah, you can feel it in your side.
Bro, you'll go like 3 times as far, as fast with half the effort. Because you're not just using shoulders, chest, and arms. Now you're using your core, which is all of our power.
And you said you want to have it close to the boat or far?
No, you don't want to dunk it in close.
Oh, you want to go far out?
You want to follow the wake. You know how the wake goes out, like when you're going? So follow the wake after just dunking it in. And then bring that, but you can do that without doing it proper. You want to also bring the other wrist across, because then that's what's going to get your core going. Kind of like this.
Side.
What up?
I can't. Smoke some weed.
It's 2:35. You get around the island in like 45. And then we can get back within the next 15. But if we stop, we'll be late for it. Unless you guys don't want to go all the way around. That's kind of really it.
We're not going to make it, he's saying.
If we, hey, Ardell, if we stop, we might not make it, but if we do the trip and then we have the time, we could end up, right before we cross, we can stop and smoke if we have the time and feel like making her, being late for her for like 10 or 15. But I don't think we'll be able to stop now and make the trip on time. But if we can, we'll always be able to do it right before we cross the river. Because it is like a 45-minute paddle.
Listen to the tour guide.
It might take longer too because we're chilling. But if you're like 15 minutes late, I don't think she's gonna care.
No, not at all. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun, boys. Look, those waves coming in.
See, that's the channel I usually cut through. See how wavy that gets? I love it. I love going through that with this shit, man. Just check out my YouTube. I named it after my dog, Rusty Thorn. One word with no E on the thorn. But it's all just kayaking videos of me pressing weed in my press.